Hi everyone, sorry for the slight delay. So we want to go straight into it now. Online business, how can you get started today? If you've not seen my post from yesterday, do check it out now. My laptop is a bit slow. I'm going to try and get there for you. Just to let you know, you can get started for free, but with anything money related, it will take time, effort, and it will take resources. So bear that in mind. The great thing is, in this current climate that we are in worldwide, a lot of things can be expedited. So what would normally take forever to get off the ground could just get started within the next 24 hours and start being profitable within 48 hours. It's not a guarantee. It depends on what it is you have to offer. So do follow the link. Let me see if I can find it, because my laptop is finally trying to get on my good side. It's still very slow, so we'll stick with the phone for now. If there are no questions, this is going to be very short. But I did have a question from yesterday, which I answered. But in case you didn't see it, I will get to it now. The post and the question. Oh, look at me. Excuse me. I am flu, so I may cough every now and then. Bear with me. So that's why I am wrapped up warm. And if I suddenly feel cold in my head, my hood is going right up. So do bear with me. Thank you. Hope everyone's well. Everyone is looking after themselves, following procedure as you should. Okay. The post for yesterday was, if you're stuck at home or worried about your income, there is no time like the present to learn how to make money online. And really, there is no time like the present. It all starts with creating an online presence. So you might say, oh, well, I have Facebook, I have YouTube. But the thing with Facebook and YouTube, they're free. And just as they are free, they can be taken away from you suddenly. With a website that you control, that you own, that won't happen to you. With having a website, it starts with making a payment. It could be monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, yearly. But the more in advance you pay, the more profitable it is for you, because you will get a discount on your payment. But because you have paid for it, you have control over it. I hope that clarifies the issue of why should I pay for it. So your online presence gets you in control with a website, obviously. You can get started by clicking the link that I put in the post, and I will send you details to a live training with me to help those who register themselves. So you do need to get registered. This link I posted does offer a 7-day free trial. But the thing is, what wasn't clear was it didn't cover all countries, and I only discovered that later on. So because I'm in the UK, I enjoyed the free. There are colleagues in Uganda who did not enjoy the free trial, but because they understand the control thing, having their own access to an online presence that they can take control of, they were happy to pay. So they've made their monthly payments. It starts at $19, and then it progresses to $39, $49 monthly. 6 monthly, it drops. If you pay 6 months in advance, you won't be paying the equivalent of $49 a month. And if you decide to take it to a year payment in advance, it will even drop even further, so that your payments is nothing in the $40 range. It's probably about 30 something dollars that it amounts to a month. So this is just for info purposes, because excuse me, someone did ask, it's a legitimate question. It said, I'm unable to create an account. You can create an account, But with creating an account, you will need to pay for the service because it is a service to you. But the thing is, it's not just a website, it's one that offers you training, because going online is not just about having a website and that's it. That's your storefront. You need to stock your storefront. And depending on what it is you want to promote, be it goods or services or products, you do need to be trained in it unless you already know all there is to know. And we do understand from life and from reality that we're ever learning, we're ever training every day to the day we die. We're learning new things. So the beauty of this service that I've recommended, because I have tried a few. I've owned websites since 2003, so I do know what I'm talking about. Paid websites, not free ones. So what I have discovered with all the websites I've owned, and we have some great names out there that they're even promoting right now. You find them advertising on YouTube, they're advertising on the TV right now. They don't provide you with training. They may provide you with tech support, but you will pay for tech support after a certain point. And we know with technology, and those of you who have listened to my live trainings before, it's let me down a few times. It's let so many people down a few times. So having a website does not now make you suddenly an expert in technology. When things go wrong, your payment covers that. Contact support. By the time you go back and forth and they're clear on what it is you want, they sort it for you. And it comes to how to go about trading, how to go about ranking on Google. Very important, because every day millions of searches are done on Google. This website, without any from you, they will show you how to rank your website that you've created on Google, so people can find you for your product, service, or whatever it is you are marketing, promoting online. So that's another thing. What else? If my laptop hadn't messed up with this live training, I would have been able to share my screen. There are a few other things you can get, which is a benefit. Let me see if I can share my screen now. So let me click on the link. Let me see if I can reverse this. I can reverse this. It's going to be going back to the early 2000s now. So reverse my screen. So that's the reverse screen. That's the post. If you were to click, then this is the one I posted within the post. So a comment I posted showing an article. Now this lady, just like me and just like you, when you get started, she signed up, she registered for an account with these people. Excuse me, I have to blow my nose. It's loading. And it didn't just happen suddenly, but she found out once her website was up and running, she made about 66 sales for 2 months of work. So as I said at the beginning, some things will take off suddenly, some will not. You see, that's training that popped up, training info. It's available to those of us who are registered members, who are registered account holders. So this is a benefit to those who take advantage right now. In the absence of any questions, any interactions here, I am going to sign off. I hope you have benefited. If you have any questions, do post them. If you send me a private message, I'll probably be able to respond faster. My apologies to the person who posted their question. I noticed it was 7 hours when I responded, but that was because I was away from the computer. I was probably asleep. I have not left my home in over 2 weeks, so there was no other reason other than that. So my apologies again. Take care and all the best with your self-isolation, with your quarantine, with your money issues, your money worries. I would just suggest do take advantage of what you can take advantage of yourself. The government's trying what they can, but you as an individual, as a family, you need to take responsibility as an adult for yourself. And if you're concerned about potential money worries, being strapped for cash during this period, get on board, start get started and share the knowledge, the information you have, and let people start paying you. There's so many advantages I'm not going to discuss in this video. Just follow the link and see for yourself. And as I said, I am happy to answer any questions. Anything I don't know, I can always get back to you. You take care. Thank you for your time, and do spread the word. Share this video, like, comment, encourage me. Let me know if what I'm sharing is of benefit to you at all. Take care. Bye.